Alright, welcome back everybody to another episode of the Lord of the Rings Online Beorn playthrough. We last left off in the northern Barrow Downs. We had a few quests here that we needed to complete, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into that. And let's see how it goes. Try to reach level 18 by today, or by the end of this video. See how it goes. I'm gonna be killing everything I see, cause more than likely it's gonna be part of the quest. They just pretty much send me on a killing spree, so we're gonna do that. Kinda laggy. Alright, so we got 7 out of 12 white. Eight out of 12, and there's a quest over here. She says, "Oh, where are you, Prince? I've only come to help." So that's Lalia. Okay, let's see what she has to say.
Goodness, could you help me with something?
She says, "I came here to find the last prince, like Mr. Butterburt talks about in his stories. I was going to find him and then be with him forever and be his princess, but he wasn't here to be found. There's just all these skeletons and bones and walking dead. It isn't nice to go misleading young hobbits like that. So we have to escort Lalia to safety." Okay, so this quest is a follow quest, so we gotta follow her and protect her, like most of the ones. It's this way, I think. Alright, let's take care of that rat. And heal her up. She cries a lot through these, so just bear with her crying. Nope, the cloak's not here either, so she's looking for a cloak as well. Where can it be? So that's a Baggist. I'm pretty sure it's gonna attack her. Yep. She says, "Wait, this seems familiar." Something is amiss here. Yeah, there's a bunch of whites. I think we're getting very close. Let's be more careful. Here. Let's be more careful here. And we also got another page for the Cardalon. And we also got 7. We already got 15, so we don't need that one. We'll take these fragments, and that's all we need from there. She runs around the end, so it's like partial walking, partial running, I guess you could say. There's another white. Here's my cloak, right where I left it. Oh, good. She didn't even remember where she left it. Just one white. Alright, so we got 12 out of 12. She says, now that I've got my cloak, let's get out of here. I think this is the way out. There's another white right there. It's gonna attack her, of course. Alright, we also completed a deed called Full Force. So, it's by using slash. We gotta complete bearings and we get, that's her crime. We get a new class trait point. There's more whites all over the place. Gonna heal her up because she's getting her butt whooped. Alright. Let's see if we got any more pages. Nope, no more pages. Oh, she's up there. Lost track of her. She's getting her butt whooped. I didn't even see her run through it. Just 9 out of 12 crawlers or rats. Alright, in this part, she says, wait, this seems familiar. In this part, we're close to the exit. It is I, Lalia, your prince. So it's a white prince. She says, no, go away, you aren't my prince. Apparently he is, because it says it right there on his name. Not sure what she was expecting coming into the Bear Downs. We also got another page, so that's good. She says, it isn't fair. Oh, it isn't far now. There you go. It's so foggy. I hope I'm not lost. Come on, Lalia. You're gonna get attacked by another Bagist. Here's the entrance. We are almost there. And there goes Lalia. She says, "We're here, thank you. I'm going to run home now. Please give my cloak to my pa, Bob. Give him my cloak so he knows I'm safe." Okie dokes. Gonna go back into the barrows. That minstrel probably killed all the baggists. Should've just pulled them all. That's what I should have done. Before we go turn that in, we're gonna go kill a couple more rats, and we're gonna try to finish off the vaggest. There's a barrow over here that has a bunch of rats. Bunch of rats. Not lying, it's just a bunch of rats. There's a baggest, so we're gonna kill that while we wait, while we work our way over there. Alright, 5 out of 12, and this is all the rats. You see? There are rats everywhere. So I'm just gonna run through it, pull whatever the heck I can. Jump. That's 15 out of 24, 16 out of 24. Should be 17, and there's one more, that's gonna be 18. There's a baggest right there, we'll take that out as well. Come on, we're ready. Seven out of 12. There's a white there and another vaggest, so we're gonna take those out. So that's 8 out of 12 vaggists. And let's see if these guys spawned up already. There's one rat. $19 out of 24. Don't see any more. We're gonna go kill that, and then we're gonna work our way towards the continuation of the book. So we have to go find and defeat the Crabane Master. Crabane. It's those dang birds. We're at 21 out of 24. Out of 24. There's a baggage right here, and we pulled some whites. I don't want to pull those guys. Damn, too late for that. Good thing it's just one, I believe. How can I not get up there? Why did they do that? It used to be so easy to get up there. Like I said, they reworked all of Breland. Alright, so we pretty much done that. Plus, it's been a long time since I've been to Greenland. 2 years almost. That's 11 out of 12. There's carved stone, so we're gonna do that as well. This should be 12 out of 12. So we're done with that one. Gotta pick up 3 of these stones, I believe. 1, 2, and 3. So we got that. We just gotta go defeat the crawlers and the Cribane Master. Can't say that properly. And this guy looks like he has quests. So after we beat this Bargist, probably gonna go on and talk to him. Seek the Wandering Shade's Barrow. So we'll do that later if these quests don't level us up. Oh, I guess this is his barrow. And you, a living fool soon to be dead, I will send you into the shadows. So come to me now, fools. Come and die. He had a ring. So we had to deliver the ring to this guy. Good thing that other person stopped him from roaming around. So he reads us like a poem type thing. Then he wants us to kill whites near the place where they build the cardinal, where they place the cardinal and treasure. So let's see. Let me just skim through it. Okay, so we'll do that if we can. I want to complete the one more crawler and the Cribane Master, which he should be right over here on this side. Okay, cool. There's another crawler right here, so that's not too bad. That's 24 of 24, and we continue here. It says, "Fool, did you think that my pets would not learn that the ring now travels east? You have failed utterly. When the Master of the Nine returns," it says, "he shall learn of this, and of your untimely death." So now he's sending his birds to come kill me. Oh, it's a girl. Even worse. Oh, even better, I could kick her ass. And kick her butt bear style. Gonna fear her. Look at her run, look at her run. And that's all she wrote. Alright. So we have to talk to Tom. We gotta turn in all these quests, so we're gonna probably do that. Or perhaps we'll talk to Tom first. It's pretty dark. I mean, we are in the freaking forest. turn the light on. There we go. At least we could see ourselves a little bit better. So we're halfway through level 18. We're about to reach level 19. I'll make this video, and level 20 should be uploaded later on tonight. And that will be the end of our adventures with this Beorn, and we will pick up with the other one.
Hey do, merry do, my hearty.
He says, "Ho there, stay a while, or are you still hurried? Othrengroth, you say? That's a dark place, full of dark wights, and you're no need of going. If you must, you must, and I'll not be staying you. Very well, come closer, and I'll be telling you." So this guy's always talking remedy rhymes. Okay, so we got a two-handed club with agility. I'm not a fan of it. Fit 3, I believe it's the one that has the most coin. Yep, so we're gonna take it anyways.
What can I do for you
Then
today?
he says, "The Great Barrows is not a place for weak hearts or frail limbs. Wicked wights and evil lords make merry in their terror. They've never caught old Tom, and never will they. He's the master. If you be a going, Tom will take you." So it goes this two-handed axe. Also has agility though. I'll probably be interested in the shoulder guards.
Hey do, merry do, my hearty.
Well, my merry fellow, ready to go a-leaping over barrows? Skip along and we'll sing a song that will make the dark ones rattle. So let's do this.
An unholy alliance is forged within the depths of Othrengroth, the Great Barrow, a sinister pact which could spell doom for Eriador.
Alright, thank you, Gandalf. So, we're about to go into the barrows. Where is it? What the heck is it? Between those stones. Careful now, or your bones will lie until the wights have you dancing. So it's not that way. What the heck is barrows? I believe it's this way. Or maybe it is up there. Possibly, let me see. 1, 2, 1. No, see, it is this way. I wonder why they changed it. There used to be people around here. See? Over there on that side. That's where I'm supposed to be going. Alright, so these are door hands, they're dwarves. We're gonna have to kick their butts. Here comes Skorgrim. So that's Skorgrim, the guy we were after. If you recall in the last couple of videos, he's the one that was with the brigands. So we'll be running in after him. See what he can tell us if we ever catch up to him. We also got the turbine points for Cardolan Prince. We got a few new quests, and there's a Cardolan Prince. I tell you, I heard something. Who goes there? Dwarves. One down. Come on, boys, let's cleave them in twain. nothing there. Nope, that's just the room. Whoa. Hand traders, like from Star Wars. They're traders. And there's some more right here. This one's a rebel, and that's a firebrand. I guess. He got no fire. He's running. I don't know why you ran. I was gonna kick all their butts anyways. Whoa. So we got some nice earrings. We got some shoes as well. Gonna check those out. Earring of courage in combat moral region. Not too bad, but it's level 21, so not even worth it. These shoes are also level 20. This is where we get into the hard stuff. You heard Lord Skorgrim, no one gets past us. Alright, we'll see about that. Alright, you've killed my man, but you won't kill me. Alright, that works. I think he gets his ass beat on his own. I can't be defeated. Yeah, see, he running off. Stay back. Skorgrim promised. He said we wouldn't be defeated. The dead suffer no intruders. Oh, he got his ass beat by a white. These guys are actually pretty hard to hit because they're level 21. They're 4 levels above me. Hopefully their boss is not like 25 or something like that, because I'll probably get my ass beat. Come, Ivor waits. So they're talking about another guy. Yeah, see, they're fucking hitting hard. Maybe I should have turned in those quests before. Alright, I completed White's Lair and my reputation went up. Oh, I remember this part. These ones are not too hard. Alright. I believe there's more whites around the corners. Arise, arise, my brothers. So there's 3 of them. Alright, so he's dead. Deadly ones are really hard to kill. Barely doing any damage to them. It's like 9-11. Doing devastating hits for 30. Let's see. We picked up a ring. This is Gold Ring of Peace, non-combat moral region. I'll probably swap that for that vitality. It's just 1 vitality. I haven't really swapped around the rings. It says the ring moves east to Imlerdis, no doubt. Our plans in the south are reaching fruition. My champion has not yet finished her task. We must counter the loss of Amdir. My champion has not yet finished her task. Okay, so there we go. It's fool. I shall suffer your presence no longer. You have hounded my steps for too long, and now the dead shall take you. So that's the Witch King. Fully dread. Just gonna make it harder to kill these guys. Alright, so he's gone. The dread's gone. A distant voice says, "Thou may come forth." Alright, let's see who it is. That summons me before them. Alright, it's Sambrog. Greetings, fools. If thou seek an audience, thou may approach. He says, "Well met. My master sends the greetings. I grant thee the boon of an audience before I kill thee. Thou seemed desirous of certain knowledge, so I will give thee, for the dead speak not." The white cackles. That is what it says. My master seeks a great power for the Dark Lord, for the Dark Lord has more designs than this. The pale dwarf shall go to the north and gather an army in the name of Angmar and the Witch King. So they're planning on doing that. Arise, my warriors. We can't beat this guy. He's also level 21. This Daos cannot defeat me. And he's healing back up. Thou cannot defeat me. This is what? It cannot be. What be you thinking? Dead men should not be walking. This is vanishing in sunlight. Leave your barrows empty. Freaking smashed him. Was it worth the trouble? Did you learn your lesson? Leave the dead to sleep their dreamless sleep and walk yourself upon the green grass under the sun. So he knew what was gonna happen. He says, "Come now, my merry friend, warm fire is awaiting." If you guys don't know, this guy's like a freaking one of the most powerful persons in the world. So we're gonna skip this. He's making his army in the tower. Movies, the movies. Don't forget the movies. You gotta watch those. Alright, so we gotta talk to Tom Bombadilio. Let's go inside.
Hey do, merry do, my hearty.
The darkness is behind us. In that dank and dreary tomb, we'll make our way back into the light and feel the sun on our faces once more. So like I said, I was gonna take that, but the boots they have power, so I don't really need those. I'm just gonna take the shoulder guards.
What can I do for you today?
He's also offering me a necklace. Old Barrow Whites from Angmar came. They disturbed the peace and trouble folk and trouble. They disturbed the peace and trouble folk who wandered through their mounds. Let the dead sleep and leave their troubles in the earth, unless, of course, you wake them, dancing on their rooftops. Hey, come on, come, my friend, linger here no longer. To Bree you should be a-going. You've a friend there who awaits you. So we'll go to Bree after we turn in those quests. Before we make it to Bree, or I'll teleport to Bree Town, and that's where we'll end the video after we complete these quests that we have here. There's a freaking wolf. Friggin' bit me. Yeah, there's another wolf. Hopefully we can skip him. Lag. Alright. So we got a few quests. And we have little experience needed to level up, so we should reach level 18. Might sink into the 19s. Or we should reach level 19. Might sink into the 20s. Is that right? Yeah, we'll go with that. Alright, so let's talk to Sal Haywood.
Greetings.
You have our thanks. When we make ready to move out of this accursed place, we will need as much of the area clear as possible. These folks are not as used to traveling as those of us who spend our lives on the road. We shall need every advantage we have available to prevent the loss of more lives. That's done.
Stay a moment.
So she wants us to do that. I'm not gonna take that quest. Bob, remember that's Lalia's dad. There's a cloak with max moral, which is better than mine. It says, oh, that is a relief. It seems I know my daughter well. She actually had gone after that last prince of hers. Well, maybe she's learned her lesson and won't be so foolish in the future. I know I will certainly never come here again. I do hope I can survive her tweens. Maybe then she'll get some hobbit senses. So she's in her teens, not tweens. I don't have enough room for that. We'll throw away this dagger. And we'll swap that. Before I talk to this guy about the quest, I'm gonna sell a couple of stuff.
What can I do for you?
Really quickly. I'm gonna keep that axe. Alright, so we should have room.
How can I be of service?
This is what? Fell creatures attacked you as you tried to gather these stones? I had not seen them. The guides kept us well shielded from wherever it was that was attacking them. I am glad that you fared so well, friend. So that's the guy that wanted the stones. We'll leave him at that, and that's a level up right there. Destination Lone Land. So we got another quest. We're not going to accept it quite yet because we don't want to go there.
What do you need?
Well done. You have helped us greatly, friend. Perhaps you could do a little more for us? I'm not sure about that.
Greetings.
He says, yes, I heard their howls turned to barks, then whimpers. You have done well. We will enjoy the respite your actions have earned us. And that's that. So we're gonna teleport to Bree, and we shall end the video there. Alright, so we're at Breland. Right outside. Check this bracelet, this max morals, we'll swap that. And we dug into the a little into the level 19-ish, getting to 20, so we're here in Breland. We're gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to comment if you liked it, comment if you didn't like it, tell me what you didn't like, etc, etc. See you guys in the next video.